two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied to the ends of a massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity g is A is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2 into g. A is equal to 6 minus 4 divided by 6 plus 4 into g. A is equal to 2 divided by 10 into g. A is equal to g divided by 5 will be the answer.